The big man, Lower Stick. The Big Boy for the Big Boy, guarded by number 20. That's the big one inside. With Axel. Take the shoot. Axel for the long ball 3. No good. Rebound by the big man. The shot. No good. The fake. The shot. No good. Rebound by the big man. Up down the lane. Number 25. Lenny Butler at it. That's it. Number 3. Guarded by number 52. The 91 in the passing. And in the foul jersey number 52. 5 minutes, 49 seconds. 10 to shoot. The big three runs over inside. Now defense that pass number 8. Big on off the left. No good. Ball number 7 is there. Number 25 from the long ball. Yes, sir. Pass to your name. Pass to second line. Got the weekend pass. Pass to the TV. Number 4, pass to the boy. The boy will be now on the ball, pass number 12. Jerry, pass to Larry. 81 on deck to shoot. Larry, pass to the ticket, the big man, line off the snap here. Ring over number 10, on the land back, we have a foul. Number 3, pass to Paul Indian. The betting direction, again, the walking rebound. The big man. Number 3, he did that. One pass inside. Really get that communication. Larry. Number 3, guarded by number 3. Papas will get a pass. We foul on the ball. Number 8, taking in all on the defense. In all on the defense on the dressing break. Number 13, passes in Buboy. Number 8, Buboy giving that pass off the way. Big foul on the west for the long ball the way. Buboy. Number 13, 10 to shoot. Pressing, giving all the west. The way. Between the ball for the black shirt. Holding from the game play. Pass to the TV. He gets on the big man. Good up in the goal. The jersey number 10. The big man number 7. He gets on. Pass to the big man. Stepping into the line. Retrieve to the wall. Pass for Roy Steele. Boy on the left. Boy, line pass. Number 69 is there. A shot. Retrieve. Rolling for the deep play. It brings over inside pass to the middle of a shot. No good. 40 seconds. Number 10. Pass to the teammate inside. In all by 2. 20 seconds. Pass to number 10. Nabi na bola. Nabi na lakas. Nabi na flag. Last 25 seconds. Ball goes to number 69, fishing pad. The Belgian skip, number 11, a shot, no good. Number is there, the ball there. 20 seconds. It runs forward by number 8, the layup. 30 seconds. It's here. Deep check ball. Boy, pass to the teammate. Part by 2, Boy. Pass inside. He got the base hit. And that's a traveling position. Well, stage around from stage to Blizzy. Here's number 2. Number 12, back to the one. Pass to number 1, back to the full man. Guarded by Baldini. And we have a foul. Foul goes number 6 in the tissue pad. Upstairs tissue pad for number 3, replacing receiver 14.
Kala ko malakas yun. Oo mo, kala ko. Hindi naglalaro mo. Binabangko. Bangko naman. Bangko. Hindi ko man nakita naglalaro. Wala ako yun ako. Wala ako nakita.
Still, by the big man. They're walking the ball for the UCU. A 7-point lead. Number 1. Giving that pass to the teammate. Inside step. Ball leading back to the big man. Picking one up on. Number 7. Fight to shoot. 1 second. And that is the man. Years. Number 13, Brittle Ball. Guarded wide with 1. He get down for the team. Nasa at the pass to the teammate from the wall, 2. The good rebound by the man. Ball number 69 is there, number 18. Back for the boy. Back for number 13. Larry. Runs over. Nabi na bola. Back to shoot for boy. From the shot, layup. No good. Rebound by Pandillo. Number 8, they kept it ball. And now they cross over 8. Go down. Defend the shot. That's good. Number 8, guarded by Pandillo. Number 25, David defend. David on the glass. No good. Big athlete ball, Papasa na depensa, pass number 1. Pulling for the game play. 15 seconds to shoot. That's an offensive pair. Block shot. Pulling for the game play. Pass to Lurie. Then back to the studio. Lurie across the right side. Like that. Back to number 13. Second edition. The fake number 24, Williams, that is. Rebound by number 10. Knocking out on the line. Recover back to number 11. Getting number 11 sidestep. And cleaning up there. All your season number 13. Official score is 65-60 in favor of Game Channel. First goal tonight, there's the second take down from TNT Channel. The second one is here. Knocking out on the ball, number 15, corner inside the shot. Remember, Christie, number 15. PD's number 52, and off the line is super layup. It's not here. Number 8, pass, number 52. Yes, it is. Number 1, big down the ball. The ball on the net, 5 minutes, 30 seconds. Number 1 inside, now big down the ball. Deep channel ball. Downstairs, take your breath. Over for fade. Pass number 25. Dig it up. The shot. Third block. It's good. We're bringing it down on one. It runs over. That's all out to Grayson. Grayson to take it. Number bringing a shot. That's good. Mr. Road pass to the teammate, Stitcher. Pass number 25. Alex, ball number 81. Down the shoot. No good. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 10. Vince again, fair. Number 10, Habibi Talan. Number 13, King of One, pass to the teammate, William, it's good. Number 3, another steal. Back to number 13. Number 52, taking the shot. It's good. On him, knocking down the ball, playing a sidestep shot. No good. Rebound back again. The ball on the net, on the ball. Back there, the fair. Ready for red.
Ako matawag kami pinyada. Pero matawag kita ng namin.
Lapit na kaya ko. Jimbo. Then distribute. Five distribute. Again, right on back Last team winning.
Gago!
Ang ano, professional siya rin
Hirap
yan,
na,
ah.
gago!
Go!
Go!
Wala! Ang professional,
Gago!
bawi!
Ang naulo, gago!
Ang professional yung laro mo.
Ganda to, ganda.
Ito malakas yung token number 1.
Papa!
Back to the same game. The way up is good. One minute, 30 seconds. Number 8, David Kahn. Grabe ang super yesterday. Backstage, round of 10.
Eh, magbaga na yan.
Magbaga na yan. Bawi! Bawi! Parating mo lang.
Number 8, David Kahn. David Kahn. Number 25, David Kahn.
Kala ko PBA lang. Wala na, tapos na guys. Final score. Kita niya naman, no? 84-64.
Pulling over